When you're on your submission page and you want to attach a document, click on the blue plus sign. Then, if you have your file saved to your desktop or your laptop computer, you're going to click Attach File, choose, and then find the file you want to attach, either in your downloads or on your desktop. Then click Open. Then click Upload. Then, once you have your document attached, you would click Submit My Work. Another method is, if it is in your Google Drive, is to press the plus button, choose Google Document, and then find your document in your Google Drive. And then once it is attached, click Submit My Work.